Okay guys, I have just taken out my alternator dynamo, which is Lucas, and I have just changed the rectifier. This is the rectifier, this is my new rectifier. Okay, and plus I have changed the oil seal. The oil seal, if you can see from inside here, this is the oil seal. This is the old one. Okay, this is the old one. I have just taken out this one and I have replaced it because there was a oil leakage. And this is original TVS Lucas. Alright, and I have changed the slip ring as well, this too. Alright, the old one, it was already worn out, so we need to check this the slip ring and the body, whether there is any short or if there is any leakage. So what you need to do is that take a multimeter and then put the setting into continuity. If you can see here, you can hear the beep sound. So take this two end of the multimeter and then touch these two things. So if you can see, if you can hear the beep sound, that means this is working. Both these two are working. Now the next thing what you need to do is that this is the body, this is the earthing of the alternator. So just touch these two. See, yeah, this is the one, and this is the beep sound. So the next thing what you need to do is that you need to check whether the body and this thing is, if there is any leakage or not. So I can see that there is no leakage, it's already fine. Alright, so the next thing what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this I'm going to put it back. So what you need to do is that you need to put this here. Okay, this is the positive terminal, these are the negative terminals. So for the positive you need a rubber washer here. This is the one, the big one is always the positive. So, and this is the cover. Okay, so let's put this cover here, and then just align the pole. This is a 3-pole alternator. So if you align this alternator, I believe it's gone. So alright, so the next thing is you need to take this two and you need to put it here. Then after that, the washer here, the washer. Just clean this with a seize paper. If you have a seize paper, it's better to clean it so that there will be no carbon or no dirt. I believe I kept a seize paper here. With the help of the seize paper, we're just going to clean this part. It's done. So Let's put back this one. Okay, the washer. Let me get the ranges. Let's tighten up this one. Is done, and I've just noticed here that if you see this is the positive, the plus sign, right? So in alternator always the longer one, the longer pole is always the positive. So let me tie this one. This part is done. The next thing is we need to align this, we need to align this. This is the bracket and here is the bracket, so we need to align like this. We need to align this. It's quite heavy, these things are quite heavy. These things are quite heavy, so basically, alright, so these things are quite heavy. We need to align this. Okay, and once the alignment is done, we need to insert the it's gone now. Alright, so now this is the part we need to be careful when we do this. These are the fan, so it might get stuck in our fingers, so be careful about that. And so this is 8 mm. Basically these are 8 mm. Next is here. There's a problem here. We need to align this. The alignment is not correct, so because of that there is a problem here. So let me take out this one. Here the screw has to go here, but this is outside, so basically I need to take out this one and I need to align this again. So this part is not aligned properly. The alignment has to be correct here, so this is not the one. This alignment needs to be done here, so we'll have to take it out again because the alignment is not right here. Let me take out this one again. I need to check what's the problem here.